subscribers and get to know people. I'm not one of those people that are like bougie or whatever you want to call it. I mean, I can be, but I'm normal. Like, I like to talk to people, DM me, comments, whatever you want. Love networking and meeting new people always. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end of this clip. Good morning, YouTube. A love for beauty here. So today we are going to do a quarantine. Get ready with me. So I had no reason to get ready. I just wanted to do my makeup and curl my hair. I'm gonna wand curl this hair today. So we'll be back with a full face of makeup, and then we're going to start to wand curl my hair. See you in a bit. Alright, so I am back, full face of makeup, glammed up. Now we are ready to take out the braids and go from there. So I guess I'm gonna chit chat with you guys while I do these wand curls. So yesterday I was thinking, what could I do on YouTube today? Because I wanted to make a video. It's like, oh, I know what I can do. Wand curls. I love wand curls on hair. So we're gonna put wand curls in this 20-inch frontal wig that I have on today. So I usually keep it in on my mannequin head here, the wig, and I had left it in these braids because I wanted to see how it would look crimped up like a braid. Or I could just wear it out in these braids, but I actually want to wand curl it today, so that's what we're gonna do, live on camera. So I don't know what you guys are doing, but comment below what you do in quarantine when you're bored. Like, I'm so tired of being in the house. It's not even funny. It's like the world has just changed completely. We can't do anything. We're just stuck in the house, bored. So we have to find things to keep our minds occupied so we don't lose our minds. Yeah, life is changing. Things are changing. Just hope things get better, but you know, only God knows. He has the master plan. Alright, so I'm gonna start with one side because this is too much hair to have out everywhere. And got the wand curl ready to go. It's nice and heated up. I don't know where I got this from. I think I bought it from Ross or one of those stores, but there's no, I don't see the brand on here. But yeah, this is the wand curl that I'm using for my hair today. Alright, so let's start at the bottom. Just put this out the way. And we'll start with some bottom pieces first. Cute little wand curl. Oh yes. Okay, so I usually don't, you know, since we've been locked up in quarantine and everything, I really haven't had a chance to play in my makeup and my hair and do all this stuff because I started taking up gardening and stuff and learning about planting your own crops. So I have like a full-on garden in the backyard and everything. So that takes up most of my time because I have to tend to the garden every day. But I'm going to try to make time to do my beauty YouTube stuff as well because I really love makeup and hair and natural hair, wigs, weaves, frontals, extensions. I love all of that stuff. I'm gonna try to focus more on beauty, doing my makeup on camera, doing my hair, wigs, eyelashes, all that stuff, because I'm like, that's totally me. Like, I've always been like into beauty and stuff like that. So. I will try to put more of that on my channel. And if there's anything that you would like to see me do more of, let me know. Comment. I love to talk to subscribers and get to know people. I'm not one of those people that are like bougie or whatever you want to call it. I mean, I can be, but I'm normal. Like, I like to talk to people. I don't think that I'm better than anybody. There are some people that just think they're gonna get subscribers and they don't converse or communicate with their fans or followers or whatever. But I don't think that's the way to go. You really have to, know your subscribers, communicate with them, get to know them as people, because we are human. So, you guys can DM me, comment, whatever you want. Love networking and meeting new people always. So I know you don't want to sit here and watch me do this. It'll take forever. So I'm going to fast forward through this and this is the end result. And these are my curls. I hope you like them. They're kind of just all over the place. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of me wand curling my whole hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end of this clip, and I am gonna go find something else to do with my day. I'm all dolled up with nowhere to go. I think I'm gonna do some unpackaging. I got a lot of stuff in from Amazon. I thought I would experiment with press-on nails and making my own press-on nails. So I'm gonna do some unboxing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. I'm going to unbox all this stuff here that I got from Amazon. I have so much more still coming. I got all these packages. Good morning, YouTube. I love for beauty here, and today I wanted to bring you outside into my garden. So here is the garden, still working on it, and it's just expanding every day. So here we have potatoes in this part here, and onions. So this whole other section here are potatoes and onions, and then there's some strawberries that I planted right here. There's my okra, my little cabbages, and then right here is edamame in this line right here. And then you already know my squash that are really taking off now. They're growing so fast. And then my corn back here in the corner. And these are the new ones that are just starting to blossom or grow. So that's all. I just wanted to update you on the garden.